CNC double and tenoning machine. CNC fully automatic, programming free, easy to operate. Maximum processing length 2200毫米. Straight material oblique tenon, craft mortise and tenon groove. Bilateral bending material. Direct material. Warehouse type automatic feeding. Efficient and precise slant with the round. Automatic feeding and discharging. Oblique tenon square. Contours forming. Application area: solid wood bed, letter bed, dining table and chair, solid wood sofa, crepe, wood plastic beach chair, new Chinese style sofa, head cage.